Hello everyone friends, on the edge of Vela. Today I'll show how to recover your old Epic Games account. Go to Google, open a browser. Any browser works fine. Type Epic Games here. Go to the website. Now log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one just to recover your old one. Click the support button and type, I want to recover my old account. Then press enter. Here it asks us yes or no. And it will guide you on what to do next. If you're already logged in, it simply suggests changing your email address. Yes, that's right. Now follow this link. Here, enter the email address you used when creating your old account. Click Next to continue the recovery process. If you lost access, click Lost Access. You'll need to provide additional information to recover your account. And you need to use the same device and be in the same location where you normally were, specifically in the account where you used this account. That's it. And accordingly, avoid VPNs and proxies. This is also important. But if you can prove that you moved away from there, relocated, and so on, then it's not really a problem. Click Next and begin the recovery process. There. It will be quite lengthy. After that, you'll need to enter your email address and a response will be sent to it. This was Velar with you. Goodbye, everyone.